Hi, I'm Sumit. I'm a South Asian creator. Our family's from Karachi originally. We moved during partition to India. Today, I want to talk to you about the concept, the sort of Foley sound, dishum, which you may have heard before. In particular, how it's used in Hindi films and how it's become like this word, this feeling, this whenever we talk about it, like dishum, dishum, dishum. It's kind of like in American comic books, that kind of whack, pow thing, um, but more so in Bollywood movies. Anyway, I'll show you a clip.
इस थाली पे तुम्हारा नहीं, हमारा नाम लिखा है। कौन हो तुम? हम भी वो हैं जो कभी किसी के पीछे नहीं खड़े होते। यहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं, लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है। नंबरदार, भर दे ताली।
So in that scene, amazing scene with Amitabh Bachchan, it's like one of the most famous Bollywood actors uh, of all time, um, and you can hear him punching in that. That's the Dishum sound, okay? Um, and it's just crossed over into so many different things, and every Indian will know what that is. Everyone from South Asia will understand that. Pakistani, Bangladeshi, we'll all know, and all of us around the world who've moved there. So, and I just want to show you a couple of things that have come out of that. So they're like songs about it and cartoons with it in and all sorts. And then Marvel pull it out of the bag. And here's a spoiler if you haven't seen Eternals. If you have, this is what it means.